into a bottle of water. Oh wait, there's too much water in here. Excuse me. Okay, so we put emergency in here. Alright. And we let that sit in there. And then, wait, we need to take 2 ibuprofen because I have a headache. Alright, and then we get a Zygam. And now we have to chug our emergency.